Good morning everyone, this is Jessie from Comatic. Our company has 70 years history in the construction machinery and we are export more than 200 countries. So we are quite experienced in this business and it's my honor to introduce the YTO tractor to you. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We are at YTO factory today and I am so excited because we can look at the YTO LX2204 tractor and I can't wait to show you around. Let's go on. The first impression, the tractor used for business. Just look at the size of it, it's very huge, coming and over 5 meters long, 3.5 meters tall. The wheelbase of 2000 millimeters and it's very incredible stability. Now let's talk about the engine. It has 220 horsepower at 2020 RPM, but the best part is built for power and efficient, means low fuel consumption, and it has more environmental friendly. Get up here, this full enclosed cab is like the command center. It's not just beautiful, it's very practical. Amazing wide vision heating and it's equipped with the air conditioning. Driving this all day, no problem, pure comfortable. This is incredibly reliable and durable for a long service type, and it's with 420mm ground clearance. So the YTO LX2204 isn't just a tractor, it's the partner for a large farm, and it's powerful, smart, and comfortable. It's built to work hard for many years. Thank you guys for seeing our videos. If you are interested in learning more, don't hesitate to reach out to contact us. And see you next time. Bye bye.